The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System uses a sensor in the front of the vehicle to analyze the speed and distance to the vehicle directly ahead, as well as a vehicle traveling in front of that one. The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides the first warning to the driver by flashing the Vehicle Ahead Detection Indicator with an audible warning. When the system detects potential risks, it gives an alert to encourage the driver to decelerate in advance with a signal on the display, audible warning, and also by tightening the seatbelt. The Predictive Forward Emergency Warning System turns on or off whenever the Forward Emergency Braking System setting is turned on or off. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the menu button on the control panel. Touch Driver Assistance. Emergency Assist. Touch Forward to toggle the system on or off. The warning light illuminates when the system is turned off. The Forward Emergency Braking System automatically turns back on when the engine is restarted. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.